In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a savings account online with Wells Fargo. Let's get started by making the process as clear and straightforward as possible. First, you'll need to head over to the Wells Fargo website. So open up your browser and type in wellsfargo.com. Once you're on the homepage, hover your mouse over the banking section and from there, select savings accounts. Here you'll find a range of options laid out for you. Make sure to review these options carefully. Some of the accounts you might want to consider include the Way to Save R savings or the Platinum savings. Once you've done a quick evaluation and know which account type best suits your needs, go ahead and click Open Now to move forward with your choice. Next, you'll encounter the Apply Online option. Here, you must determine if you're a new or an existing Wells Fargo customer. Then proceed by clicking Apply Now to kick off your application process. This step is crucial as it directs you to necessary forms that you'll need to fill out with your personal information. Be ready to provide essential details like your full name, mailing address, date of birth, and your social security number. It's vital to enter this information accurately, so take a moment to review and confirm that everything you've typed is correct. Once you've completed filling out your personal information, you'll need to look into funding your new account. Wells Fargo presents a few convenient options here. You can choose to transfer funds from another Wells Fargo account, use a debit card, or initiate an external bank transfer. Select the most suitable method based on what resources are readily available to you. Now that your account is set to be funded, you're just a couple of steps away from completion. It's time to take a look at the terms and conditions. Carefully read through the terms and disclosures provided. After you've understood and agreed to these terms, there will be a checkbox for you to select, followed by a Submit Application button that you'll need to tap. After submission, you're nearly done. A confirmation page will appear, displaying a message with your new savings account number. This confirms that your Wells Fargo savings account is officially set up and ready for use. You'll also be able to see this new account when you log into the Wells Fargo mobile app. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to open a savings account online with Wells Fargo. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope this helps you manage your finances better. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out Wells Fargo support resources on their website. Enjoy managing your new savings account.